Hey designers, and welcome back! Recently you saw me haul these super cute little nails from the Dollar Tree and have asked if I would show you how to put them on. So today, that's what we're gonna do. You will need a set of the nails of your choice and some of the brush-on nail glue. Both can be purchased at Dollar Tree. And first we want to make sure that we have a nice clean surface to work with. I do have a video showing you how to do an at-home manicure. I'll have it linked for you down below. Next up, we need a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol. We want to rub all the surfaces of our nails, removing all the dirt, oil, and debris. This will ensure that our glue is going to adhere a whole lot better. Next, it's time to make sure that we pick the appropriate size for our nails. Picking a nail that is either too small or too large is going to be what makes them look fake. We want these to look as natural as possible, so picking the right size of nail is very important. Once I have that done, I lay them all in a row to make it a little easier to work with. And now it's time to get started. Just apply a generous amount of that brush-on glue right to the surface of the nail. Be careful not to get it on your skin or cuticles. Now take the nail that you have already pre-selected and press it on firmly. You want to get it as close to the cuticle as possible without touching that cuticle area, and then apply pressure for about 10 seconds. We're going to do this to each one of our nails. You'll notice that my cuticles are in horrible condition, you guys. Y'all already know that, hence the reason why I purchased these little nails, to try to help my fingers heal, so bear with me, you guys. And there you go, quick and easy and a beautiful set of nails that will last you at least a week, maybe even longer, depending on how rough you are with your hands. Definitely recommend these little nails from the Dollar Tree, especially if you're in a transition time like I am, where you're letting your fingers heal and your natural nails grow. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.